Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode of Viral Science Videos Debunked. Today, we will be debunking two shocking videos about static electricity. So, let's get striking. Here, the man is rubbing a wool cloth over what appears to be silk fibers. In doing so, the friction between the two materials causes electrons from the wool to transfer to the silk fibers. Hence, the silk fibers acquire a net negative charge. The same thing happens with the PVC pipe and the wool when rubbed. So now, both the PVC pipe and silk fibers are negatively charged. Recall, like charges repel, so the silk fibers can levitate over the PVC pipe because the electrostatic repulsion is sufficiently strong to overcome the gravitational pull on them. You may be curious as to why was it possible for the electrons to transfer from the wool to the silk fibers and PVC pipe. The process is called the Triboelectric Effect. Although it is due to quantum mechanics effects, in a nutshell, it is simply a case where some materials are more likely to give up their electrons than others when in contact with other materials. Next up, we have these spectacular corona discharges and electric arc. The Tesla coil to the left produces thousands of volts at high frequency. At normal atmospheric pressure, the air is harder to ionize. In a partial vacuum, it is far easier. The syringe with a nail stuck at the end allows the guy to create a partial vacuum as he pulls the plunger outward. Because there are still some air molecules that consist of nitrogen and oxygen amongst others, a corona discharge is easily formed. The corona discharge is formed when the voltage on the nail is high enough to ionize the gas molecules inside the syringe. As the guy puts his finger near the barrel, the arcs appear to be attracted to it because the human body is more conductive than the plastic syringe. You may also wonder, how is there a discharge in the syringe if the nail is not connected to the Tesla coil? Well, the high electrostatic force generated by the electrons on the Tesla coil essentially polarizes the nail by induction. As the electrons accumulate on the opposite side, which is pointing inwards inside the syringe, they possess sufficient energy to ionize the surrounding air inside the syringe. Lastly, the color of the corona discharge is a result of the emission spectrum of nitrogen, oxygen, and any other gas molecules inside the syringe. Each molecule has a unique emission spectrum, but the combination of them gives off the color that you see here in the video. Alright, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching another episode of Viral Science Videos Debunked. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share with a friend, and remember to subscribe for more videos like this.